Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use phone as a webcam for Google Meet. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Before we start, ensure the following. Your PC and Android phone are connected to the same network. Bluetooth is enabled on both devices. You have the Arian Webcam app installed on both devices. Now, let's begin. Open Chrome and search for Google Meet. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Download and install the Arian Webcam software on your PC from the link provided in the description below. You can open the Arian Webcam application on your PC. On your PC, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and Devices. Camera. Find the Arian Webcam. Click on it. Make sure it is enabled. Now, let's head over to our Android phone. Make sure to install Arian Webcam app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the Arian Webcam app on your phone. Tap Continue and grant the necessary permissions for camera and other settings. Let's return to PC, then go to Gmeet. Start an instant meeting in Google Meet. Click on the three dots menu, then go to Settings, Video, and the Camera drop-down menu. Choose to click Arian Webcam. You should see a preview of your Android camera. You are now ready to start your Google Meet session using your phone as a webcam. And that's a wrap on how to use your phone as a webcam for Google Meet. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.